The film opens with Junwoo, a young gamer and live streamer, spending time in his family's apartment. He's engrossed in his video games, barely aware of the outside world. His daily routine is interrupted when news of a mysterious and violent outbreak floods the media. Zombies transformed by an unknown infection begin attacking and infecting the people in the city. Panic spreads rapidly as the outbreak takes hold, and Jun watches in horror from his apartment window as chaos erupts outside completely. Curious and worried, Junwoo ventures into the apartment hallway where he encounters a desperate neighbor begging to stay with him. Despite his hesitation, the neighbor forces his way in but soon succumbs to the infection and transforms into a zombie. A violent struggle ensues, and Junwoo barely manages to push the neighbor, now zombified, completely out of his apartment. Locking the door just in time through the peephole, he witnesses the neighbor being attacked and killed by another zombie. Traumatized and scared, Junwoo resolves to survive at all costs. Junwoo begins fortifying his apartment. He blocks the front door with a refrigerator and posts a rescue request on the social media, hoping for help. Using his drone, he scouts the neighborhood and realizes that it's completely overrun by the zombies. As days passes, he loses access to phone networks, the internet, and running water. The emergency power supply becomes his only connection to the outside world. Food and water become scarce, and he is forced to ration his supplies carefully. One night, Jun witnesses a police officer being attacked by the zombies outside his building. Overwhelmed by fear and frustration, he screams at the zombies, inadvertently drawing their attention. A zombie breaks into his apartment, knocking over the refrigerator and destroying his remaining food. Junwoo manages to lure the zombie onto the balcony where it falls to its own death. However, his situation grows more desperate as his supplies depletes. Further, in a moment of despair, he resorts to drinking liquor to starve of hunger and thirst, leading to hallucinations of his family. Junwoo's emotional state deteriorates as he struggles with isolation when the phone network is momentarily restored. He receives a voicemail from his family revealing that the refugee has been overrun by the zombies. Consumed by rage and grief, Junwoo leaves the apartment in a reckless attempt to fight the zombies. However, he is quickly overwhelmed by a hood and manages to sneak back inside the apartment. Narrowly escaping death on the brink of suicide, Junwoo is stopped by a flashing light from a laser pointer. He traces the light to Kim Yubin, a fellow survivor living in the apartment building across from his apartment building. Yubin signals him and they establish communication using handwritten signs and gestures. Yubin suggests setting up a zip line between their apartments to transfer the supplies. She ties a cable to her table and throws the other end to Junwoo, but it lands in the street. Junwoo ingeniously uses his drone to set up another line successfully. However, an infected firefighter climbs the first cable, causing Yubin's table to fly across her apartment, knocking her completely out. Jun sacrifices his drone to distract the zombie, giving Yubin enough time to wake up and kill it. With a newfound sense of purpose, Junwoo raids his neighbor's apartment for food, clothing, and walkie-talkies. Narrowly avoiding the zombified neighbors, he sends a walkie-talkie to Yubin, and the two begin talking and bonding, sharing their fears, and hopes the companionship lifts their spirits and they formulate a plan to escape. Together, Yubin notices that the eighth floor of Junwoo's building appears empty and they decide to make their way there. Junwoo and Yubin gear up and repel from the balconies, fighting their way to 8th floor. As they arrive, they were pursued by zombies. Just when they seem cornered, a stranger emerges from one of the apartments of the rescues. Then he invites them into his home, offering food and water. Exhausted and starving, Junwoo and Yubin accept the hospitality without question. However, the stranger drugs their food and they soon fall asleep. When Junwoo wakes up, he finds himself bound and realizes that the stranger has sinister intentions. The stranger locks the Yubin in a bedroom with his infected, restrained wife. Junwoo threatens the stranger, but he releases his wife's restrained from outside the bedroom. Yubin struggles with the infected wife but manages to wrap her head in fabric, rendering her unable to bite the stranger. Believing Yubin to be dead, opens the bedroom only to be attacked by his zombified wife. Yubin takes the opportunity to shoot and kill both the wife and the stranger. The gunshots attract more zombies to the building. Yubin, now despondent, asks Junwoo to kill her before the zombies break in. As Junwoo hesitates, they hear the sound of helicopters outside. Realizing they have a chance at rescue, they rush at the rooftop, pursued by a horde of zombies. Just as they are about to be overwhelmed, an army helicopter arrives and holds off the zombies. Long enough for the pair to be rescued as Junwoo and Yubin are lifted to safety. A voice-over by a news anchor explains that wireless networks are being restored and the military is actively rescuing the survivors who have made social media posts. The film concludes with a poignant moment. Junwoo's social media post, initially tagged with #stay alive, changes to #alive, symbolizing hope and resilience in the face of overwhelming odds.